Okay, so this second question here is talking about some guy named Greg. It says that Greg plotted a point. That point is located at 1, 6. And then he used the slope. The slope is -2 to find another point on the line. So which point could be the one that Greg found? So I'm thinking that to start this out, you're probably going to need to plot this point. So let's take a pause real quick and make sure we can plot that point. Okay, so our question here said that the point was 1, 6. So we're going to look over here and see where 1, 6 is. I'm going to plot the point in my on my graph by typing in the coordinates 1, 6, and I can see that it means to go over 1 and to go up 6, and there's my point. Okay, so there it is, point A. Okay, let's go back to the question. Let's look at the next piece of information it tells us. It says he's used the slope -2 to find another point on the line. Okay, so if I want to find another point on the line from here, and I know the slope is -2, that means I need to go down 2 and over 1. All right, here is a slope. Right here you can see a line that goes from 6 down 2 over 1. So here is down 2 and over 1. And there'd be another point right here. See if you can figure out what point that is. That line would continue to go down 2 more and over 1 more, and that would be another point on this same line. I know it's not drawing very nicely for me, but it should be right about there. So there's another point where I went down 2 over 1. Okay, so if we did that as we go down 2 over 1 to find another point, which one of these points here, A, B, C, and D, could have been the point on that line? So let's take a look. Here we go. We're going to put those other points in. One said 2, 8. Let's try that again. See if I can get this thing to work. 2, 8. There's 1. What was another point on there? 2, 4. 2, oops, let's get clicked in there. 2, 4. All right, let's look at another one. -1, 4. So -1, 4. Make sure I click in here. Not wanting to go. Well, -1, 4 is going to be over here. And the last one that we had was 3, 8. 3, 8 would be over to 3 and all the way up here to 8. Okay? So from 2, 8, we'd be moved over 1 more over here to 3, 8. So see if you can figure out which of those answers here would be on that line.